Whoa. No, I know this sounds so cool on the. This sounded sick on YouTube. I think it's fixed. I think it's fixed. Hello, can everyone hear me? How do you know? I don't know how. I don't even know what I'm doing. Wait. Oh yeah. Still stuff copyright free. How about that? Sure. Hello, hello, hello. Dude, this shit is loud. It's really loud for me. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this shit up here. I hate when there's just shit up here. Alright, boom. Means I need to fix settings in here, but I don't know how to do anything in here. That's the problem. That changes it just that. Oh, wait. No, no, no. Here, I think I know what to do. Oh, you have to upgrade. Yeah, so no webcam, but I still need to. That's what I'm saying. I can't even get to the audio setting. Can they hear me good? Or hear me well, I mean? Here we go. Right now. Hello, hello. Hello. This is good. Type in the chat if you can hear me and how loud I am. Try this real quick. There we go. Like now they can definitely hear me now. But we can't have the fucking charts up. Well, that's what I'm saying. It's capturing the webcam. You know what I'm saying? It's capturing the webcam. Yeah, if I go here, so if we can get change source to desktop local procedure. Hello? Hello? Ah! I'm a fucking genius! Oh. Maybe I'm not a genius. But look, it's showing down there that it's the screen. Let's see if it changes. Yeah, it didn't change shit. That's fucking weird though. Look, it's the same fucking thing right here. That makes no sense. Oh, here you go. I don't know what to tell him. That's what I clicked there. Just don't know why it's not. What the fuck just happened? I guess so. There you go. I don't know what the hell it did, but. Oh shit. We got it. Someone said don't change anything. Oh, I gotta mute myself. I hate hearing myself. I sound like an idiot. Oh shit. It's echoing right now. Alright, it stopped. Oh my god. What'd you say? That's what I thought I did. Thank god. Okay, yeah, well, I don't know where to start. Does anyone have any questions? It's so loud. What's up, guys? Can y'all hear me? No, I'm not gonna be able to hear myself. Alright, cool. What's up, guys? So Mike's in Houston. He'll be back Sunday. So everything will be back to normal. But so make this more of a question and answer type deal. So if y'all have any questions about any of the technicals, or if y'all want to go over some more market sentiment, which I know he teaches a lot, which is the phases that the market goes into. But please just ask any questions away. GBP USD and Euro USD have been the two pairs that I've been watching. So if y'all have any questions, just let me have them. Can y'all hear me? Hello? No, that was an old we can hear you. Okay, cool, they can hear me. So it's overbought in the 4 hour. Getting close to being overbought on the day. So I'm looking for a GBP USD to fall around here before I buy. Euro USD is way overbought. One day, 4 hour, it's finally making its way down a little bit. So for me, I have a sell limit up here around like 1.1386 area. That's just me though. Euro USD, I'm looking for a sell. I have my sell limit up here, 1.138 area. Uh, you know, everybody's looking for the sell, honestly, in this. So I'm looking at it more to blow out people's accounts because if you think about it, everybody is selling this. Everybody. So why not blow retail traders' accounts out? Where is it? Before it comes down. What was that? Yeah. You want to make everything precise. Like, must. Well, there goes all that. Well, I'm just gonna draw on a different chart because they just erased everything in your USD. But yeah, my bias is it's going down. Just a matter of when. I think it's gonna push up a little bit higher and then come down. But that's just me. I know lots of people have already orders in. Oh, anytime, Yessie. Was it Christian? And then please go ahead, ask questions. I promise. I can answer them. I'm the quiet one of the trade house. So I can answer anything. You just gotta let me know. Alright, cool. So USD CAD is definitely oversold. Shit. And the stronger the time frame, the stronger the confirmation. So y'all see it, one confirmation oversold on the 4 hour. So you could see it come down before it's time to get in, but let's see here. It will slightly affect. I mean, not really, but not like a big move at all. So I don't think it will. I think we're all good on news for the week. So right now I'm just finding the major support and resistance lines just to see where price reversed in the past. Check day just to see. All right. You most definitely just want to pay attention to this. I want to see it shoot through this zone and then come back and retest before getting into a buy. All right, I'll check odd USD. Here, give me a second. I'm gonna get on my account. Give me just 2 seconds. Alrighty. I feel like odd USD can come down more. Why not? Why not come down and touch this area? But just watch it. I mean, if it starts shooting down beyond that zone, you know it's gonna go touch the next zone. But if it does shoot up, it's going to come back down to retest and then go up, you know. But I mean, to me, it looks like it can go down and touch that zone. Why not? Because one I follow majority is Euro Odd, and Euro Odd and Odd USD, they do the opposite. In Euro Odd, if you look, it's making a little teacup pattern, right? So I was thinking that if this could come down a little bit and then shoot up even more and possibly come up and test here or even a little bit higher. But to me, I cannot hear anything. Hello? Your thing messed up again. Hello? How do you do it? Hello? Hello? Can y'all hear me? Oh, they can hear me. Me? Y'all funny. Okay, insert indicator. I'm getting trolled. Y'all see it though? Little teacup pattern. Down, shoot back up. I really want to see this come a test here, which makes Odd USD go down. So we'll see. But you know, my eyes are mostly on Euro Odd, or not Euro Odd, Euro USD on that fall, and then I have limits waiting on GBP USD. But we'll see if it comes back down. I'd just rather have a guaranteed win than a little small chance if I would have got in there. But it's just me. Okay, this is phase one. That's phase two. That's phase three. To drop down. Know that the market's all speculation and there's millions of people, looking at it, trying to come up with the same, analysis or, however they're deciphering what they're looking at. And since the majority of us have been taught the same thing, you can go into this as, like, I'm sure a lot of you have been through baby pips, but you can just go against or go with retail trading, catch 10, 15 pips every time and that's it. Like for instance, this moving average right here, this is the most used moving average by all traders, the 200 EMA, right? So as you can see, the majority of the time when it hits it, it bounces off. And what that is that's a ton of us seeing the same info and thinking the same idea to get in. So with that being said, you can just scalp and have 10, 15 and make 10 to 15 pips every time. Market sentiment is the phases moving up and down, like 3 phases moving up, 3 phases moving down. But that's for like swing trading and catching a lot. But it's really how you want to trade. Yeah. Uh, or if you're using TradingView like I am, you just right click Insert Indicator, and the three indicators I'll use are the exponential moving average. You just type EMA and then click it. Then it'll come up, and then you can just like double click on it and change your color however you want, change your thickness however you want. Your length, you want to change to 200. This indicator right here, the RSI, it helps me identify whether or not the price is overbought or oversold. And like I said, it's just another confirmation. It's the more confirmations you have, the bigger risk you take. Another one is the Stochastic, and it shows as well over if it's overbought or oversold. And then when the blue is over the orange, it's confirming an uptrend. When the orange is over the blue, it's confirming a downtrend. Because that means because that's a 1 week average instead of a 2 week. So that's just my. Is there a difference? Yes. Look at this. See how it is now? Where's the settings on it? What I don't know where it just went. Oh well. Okay. Uh, yeah, there you go. There's three of them open, so you can see a difference. Yeah, you gotta think of it as like I said before. Everybody is trying to read this market in their own way, and we've all been taught a certain way. So if everybody is taught the same thing, the market's going to react a certain way. As far as say, all these confirmations are just adding up, or stacking on top of each other for a buy. Well, if everybody has learned the same thing, is going to do the same thing, everybody's going to jump in a buy, and it's just going to skyrocket up. So you can put all your retail trading methods like this moving average, the RSI, the Stochastic, all that stuff. Your trend lines, your zones, when they all add up to the same thing, you get in for your retail buy or retail sell. The more confirmations, the more you risk. So if everybody is, say clicking on using this RSI and it comes up as default 14, think about how many people are seeing this versus when you change it to your own settings as in a 5-day average. So also have divergence. 30-minute. Yeah, nothing really going on. It's all slow right now. But yeah, I'm looking for GBP USD to come here, and then I'll buy. I know a couple of my buddies, Daniel, they're selling it down to this area right now. Keeping my eye on Eurod, and then of course. Yeah, that's all it is. It's when the trend of the actual chart and the RSI mismatch. So it's like when it looks like this, when it looks like that, and then up here it looks like that. Even though that's I'm not saying that this is showing RSI or showing a divergence or anything, but yeah, it's just when they mismatch because your RSI is showing your volume, like, and then whether it's overbought, oversold, you can catch the fake out easier. I had a buy here or a sell here last night. It's like, say you have this. Alright, this is bad. Right. And then up here, you see that. So down here is how you how you're seeing your volume, like the amount that's being moved, like the amount of transactions and stuff being moved in the market. And then this is your chart. Okay. They mismatch. One is going like that, and the other one's going up. So in reality, this is going up, this is going down. This is what you want to go with. So whenever, for the most part, if you look, they'll be the same. The charts moving up and down will be the same as over here, but when they mismatch, you go with the direction of the chart. See if I can find one. Like, do you see how it's all going? Like, it's going with it, right? It's the same. It's going with it. It's going with it. See, they're matching. It moves up here, moves up there, goes down, moves up, down, down. They're matching. USD maybe. See, yeah, they're like kind of not matching at all. See, this was going up. This is kind of pointing down. So I mean, it's not really divergence, but it is looking like it's setting up for something. I still think Euro USD is going to push up a little bit. That's why I have a sell limit up there in like the 800s. But that's just me. That's all divergence is. I'm trying to look for something that really shows it, but everything is like matching. This comes down here, it's shooting up, it's going higher. This teacup pattern is beautiful. Oh, here we go. Possibly. See how this ends up for the next, but you can see this. So that's an indication that pointing down, going up, this should shoot up higher. But since this is on this right here is still forming, so we want to wait and just see. But this looks like an indication of this could come down a little bit to skyrocket up, which pushes odd USD down. But I'll draw it up again, Yesy, though. So your market is going up, going down, making another higher high, going down. Now it's making a lower low, going down. All it is mismatching. Obviously, these would be like, this would be a little like over here a little bit. This would be over here. But yeah, we just go in the direction of where the chart is going. So you'd see this form right here and start making its lower low right here, and you'd be seeing this right here. And you'd see that this is trending up while this is trending down. So it's going to keep falling. That's just a confirmation that it will keep falling. Of course, you draw up your trend lines out there, your zones, all that stuff. Like I said, the more indications you have of a direction, you're never supposed to really always follow it. Just just have it as a rule of thumb. Just like the scanner. If you're an IML, the scanner is always that lower part, that D, when it's forming, it's moving, right? So it can end up forming 3 or 4 harmonic patterns before it finally reverses. So that's why you have all your different confirmations, and you always enter in on the retest. But yeah, if you think about it, this is what smart money is looking for us to. They know that we're gonna act on these retail trades, so they can give us 10 pips, 15 pips, 20 pips, and then take it away and go the opposite way for 100 to make those big moves. So it's whatever strategy you wanna go with, but yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and end it here. The markets are moving really slow. Uh, GBP USD, I'm looking for it to come down a little bit. Have the buy limit there. Euro USD come up a little bit. Have the sell limit up in the 800 area. We talked about how Euro odd can come down a little bit and go up. Odd USD in a strong zone, but I want to see it. So it is rejecting up right now. yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get off. Mike will be back Sunday. He'll be killing it throughout the week. I know y'all miss him, but y'all have a nice night.